Hello everyone, welcome to the jQuery series once again. And in this video, we are going to learn the each method, and each method is really important in jQuery, and we must understand it first of all. Okay, so see, I am going to show you the live examples, and will show you that how the each method will work. Okay, so here I am going to tell you each method of jQuery, or we can say the each method of each function of jQuery. Okay, so you have seen many times, we all know that we used the each for each function in Laravel as well. If you will say that for each function of Laravel, or we can take we can take the for loop of PHP. Okay, or we can take the C or C++. If you remember that we have done the for loop there as well. So in all, we used to do some kind of looping, some kind of we are having some kind of array that we want to loop through, that we want to display one by one. Okay, so here I'm going to show you in our database as well. If we will take our e-commerce series, here you can see in products table as well. Here you can see the data is coming in rows, you can see, and we want to display all the data, and then we are going to use the for each. Okay, for each function I'm going to show you here of our e-commerce series as well. So here I'm going to open that products.blade.php, and here if you will see, we have used the for each loop. Okay, for each function of Laravel to display all the products. Okay, so in the same way, we are going to use the each loop of jQuery that will help us to execute a function for each matched element. Okay, so I hope that this is clear to you now. So what will happen? So if we will take one example, like if we have the LIs, here we have the list like Laravel we are having, and after that we are having the PHP, then we are having the jQuery. So here you can see what we want here. We want to alert all three li elements here. So there are two ways to do it. One is to manually alert one by one, means we will write the code here, like I am going to do something alert. I will give some class to this one. Okay, to alert the specific like li1. Then I am going to alert this from this class. I will write some code to alert dot li. Okay, like this I am going to write dot test. Okay, I will do something like this, and then it is going to alert. Then I am going to write this one. See, li1 will come up here. Okay, so I will write this one for all the elements. Then I need to write here as well, class equal to li2. Okay, like this I need to do. Okay, one by one. Then here we are going to display li2. Okay, so this kind of way we are having. If we will not execute each statement, and we will then do one by one. We are going to execute our function for all elements one by one. We need to write the code for all elements. So it is really tough if the elements are too many, if the job is too much. Okay, then we are going to use the each function here. And what each function will do? Each function will simply make our task easy, and you just require to do here li $li. Then we are going to use the each function here, each function like this, and like this, and just simply we will do like this. And inside this, only one time we are going to use the alert statement. Okay, so this is the simplest way that we are having with the each function, in which we are going to execute all the elements one by one. Okay, so much easy. See, this task is overwritten by this one is the simplest way. Okay, so you can understand this one. So now we are going to execute with the examples in our file. I am going to show you. Okay, so here I am going to show you first example. With example I am going to show you, and will explain you syntax as well. So this is the syntax of the each function, and here you can see each function is having the index and its element. Okay, so index specifies the position of the selector, like position A can be 0 index, can be 1 index, can be 2 index, and element can be any attribute. We will take any attribute, value of the attribute will come. We can also say its index will be look like this, index and value. Here the attribute value will come like the like we can take href, value of the href will come up here. Okay, I'm going to show you with example here. First of all, okay, so let's do with example. I am going to pick up the last one. I'm going to save with jQuery 21 here, and then I'm going to remove all the code, and will write here my code. Okay, so I will write something like first I'm going to write something like stack developers features. Here I will write something ul. In ul I'm going to write li. In li I'm going to write learn Laravel, and I'm going to display learn PHP, learn jQuery. Okay, and then I am going to close this one, and then I am going to add the button, and here I will write something alert features. That's it. I'm going to execute this file here, jQuery 21. Okay, you can see it comes up here. Now I want to alert all these elements, and this is possible with the help of the each method, each function. So it is really easy. So I am just going to make li here. We'll use li, then we will use the each function without any parameters. So we can simply do like this, and inside this we will use the alert. Okay, in alert we are going to take dollar this we used for the current element. Okay, so this dot test we are going to this test, we are talking about this test, then this one. Okay, brackets will come. Now we are going to test it. Alert feature, one by one all the feature will display. Learn Laravel, okay, learn PHP, okay, learn jQuery. Okay, so much easy. Okay, so this is the way each function work, and now we are going to do with parameters, and I'm going to show you that each function will work with index and value. Now I want to show you that how it will work with index and values, how it can execute the every index. Okay, so see, the each function picks up, see, this one it will pick as 0 index, and this one it will pick as 1, this one it will pick as 2. Okay, so I will show you that in 0 index it will show you as 0 index, and its value is learn Laravel. Okay, and it will show you as 1 index, and its value is learn PHP, like this. So here I am going to right here will show you like here I going to pass index and value like this, index comma value, its parameters as index comma value. Okay, and here I am going to alert index Okay, it is going to alert the index, plus I'm going to show you its value as well, and its value we are going to show uh, first. I'm going to do something like this: located at index. Okay, located at like 0 will come up, 0, then index, and value is plus dollar value. Okay, it is fine, I think. To dot test. Okay, now we are going to try. Let's see. I'm going to refresh, and here the file is 21b. Okay, I have already saved it with 21b, and this one. Then refresh, and we'll see alert feature located at 0 index and value is learn Laravel. Okay, located at 1 index and value is learn PHP. Located at second index and value is learn jQuery. Okay, so I hope that this is very much clear to you. I am going to display here like this, so that there is space, so that it is more understandable. And now I'm going to refresh, and see it is displaying the index as well along with the values. Okay, so I am just want to display here that how parameters work. The first one is for the index and the second one is for the value. Okay, so here once again, check it out. Alert features located at 0 index. What is located at 0 index? That is the learn Laravel. Okay, so what is located at first index? And that is learn PHP. So what is index located at second index? And that is the learn jQuery. Okay, so now I'm going to show with another example. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to save this file as jQuery 21c, and see here I am going to show another example here, and I am going to take here I'm going to remove this one. Okay, so I'm going to add the URLs here. Okay, some URLs with every li I'm going to add some URL here. Like here I'm going to add the URL href. Here I will add the URL like stackdevelopers.in. That is the website that we have created with the help of Stack Developer YouTube channel. Okay, and one more, and that is the here we are going to add the website like sidemakers.in, that provides us the Laravel development course. And the third one is the Stack Developer YouTube channel URL itself. Okay, so here I will write this one as well, youtube.com stack developers. You can come to this channel to learn Laravel free of cost. Okay, anytime. Okay, so here see, these are the three URLs that we have provided with the help of href, and now we are going to display all these three with the help of each function. So let's see how we can do this. See, index and value will remain the same, and here I'm going to do one thing. I'm going to use the alert here. Okay, and in alert I'm going to specify first of all dollar this. This means that it will pick up this, like first of all this element will come, first li element will come up here, and it is going to pick whatever is means it, this represents the current element. Okay, current element, and current element is the whatever element comes in the each loop. Okay, so one by one all the elements come up in this each function, and the this one whatever we are going to execute here, even if it is some function or some event, anything, it is going to execute that. So we are going to alert now, this time href. So we are going to do dollar this, then dollar attribute href, like this. Okay, so now it is going to display the attribute value, exactly attribute value of all the elements. Okay, so let's see it's going to display or not. So I'm going to open jQuery 21c this time and refresh and see alert feature stackdevelopers.in first time. Okay, so next time is sidemakers.in. So next time is stack developers, youtube.com stack developers. So all the three links have been displayed here. Okay, and you have seen the value is come up here. See, value is come up, index, see that href value have come up here. Okay, we can also display learn Laravel, learn PHP, learn test, learn jQuery with the help of that test attribute. Okay, so we have seen that so our main concern, you know about our main concern. Our main concern is to use the each loop within jQuery so that we can show all the data, we can show all the data, or we can execute function with all the data. Okay, so this one and sometimes we are required to show in our website not only alert, we want in our page as well. We want to show in our page as well, and we want to show one by one all the results in our page. So that time it is similar to Laravel, like we are displaying one by one all the rows like I've shown you. Okay, like all these rows have been displayed. I will also show you in the one more example. I'm going to show you that how it is common with that Laravel. Okay, so I am going to show you with Laravel as well. I'm going to run the Laravel e-commerce project that we have done with the e-commerce series. I'm going to run this one, then it will be more clear. PHP artisan serve port 8010. Okay, so here I'm going to quickly show you 8010 and then admin, open this one. Okay, so now see, sorry, admin at the top, admin.com 1 2 3 4 5 6. So here you can see all the products have been displayed here. Okay, one by one you can see the one by one all the products have been displayed, and this is the case of Laravel. In Laravel we have used, like I have shown you earlier, we have used the for each function to display all. So in the same way we are using the each in our jQuery to display, we can use to display all the results, or we can execute the function for all one by one. Okay, so so it will work in the same way like we used to do in Laravel or in PHP or in C or in C++. Okay, so this is the each method. I hope that this is clear to you, and if you have any query you can surely ask me. Okay, then that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.